Hi children, very good morning. Happy Thursday to you all. Children, open page number 27 in your phonics skill book. Yesterday we have learned B or sound words. Br sound words. Okay, today let's learn CR sound words, means gr sound words. So here they have given some pictures. Let's learn CR sound words, children. What is this? Crown. Cr a v n crown. Okay. Cr a v n crown. Okay. CROWN crown. Okay children. So you can see on the head of queen and king. They used to wear it on their head. Okay. What is this? Crab. Cr a b crab. Cr a b crab. CRAB crab. Okay children. So here we have only single vowels. See, only one vowel here, only one vowel. So we should sound short sounds for that words. Single vowel, only one vowel means short sound. Two vowel means we should not say the second vowel. The first vowel will take the same sound. So if you have more than 5 or 6 letters in the word means we should sound only short sounds for that. Got it children? Okay, next crib. CRIB crib. Crib crib. Okay, the small baby sleeps in a crib, children. What is this? Crack. Crack crack. Crack crack. CRACK crack. Okay. Next, crush. Crush crush. Crush crush. CRUSH crush. SH means sh. Crow. CROW crow. Crow crow. Crow crow. Okay. What is this? Crayon. What is this? Crayon. See, for Y we will say yeah. This year joins with A and becomes A. Got it children? Ya plus A will come no? Like that children. In Kannada, ಯಾಗೆ ಏಕಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಎ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಸೊ ಕ್ರೇ ಆನ್ ಕ್ರೇಯಾನ್ ಕ್ರೇ ಆನ್ ಕ್ರೇಯಾನ್ ಕ್ರೇ ಆನ್ ಕ್ರೇಯಾನ್ ಓಕೆ what is this children okay CRAYON 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 okay next CRY 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 okay cry cry got it children okay practice these sounds and send the video to the group okay children so you have to practice these CR sound words so send the video with good pronunciation children bye bye enjoy your day